What's up everybody, Fiction here, and I'm excited to show you my new Melee tool called Melee Improver. It's an application that allows you to create save state clips live while playing Melee with a simple button press, similar to how people get video clips with something like Shadowplay. If a situation happens that you want to save, simply press D-pad down and continue playing. When the match is over, load it up in Melee Improver, and you can export all of the save states to your training mode GCI folder. Then you can open those save states in training mode and practice playing them over and over until you're satisfied. The new Training Mode Community Edition also has a live takeover ability that allows you to take over a save state whenever you want by pressing any button. The combination of these two technologies allows for incredibly rapid testing and practice of relevant Melee situations at an accessible level. I'm incredibly excited to see how the meta changes as a result of this tool, and I fully believe it will change the future of Melee in a big way. Here's how to get it set up and running. Step 1, you're going to want to get the new Training Mode Community Edition. I'll put a link in the description below. Go down to right here where it says click here, and then click to download TMCE 1.3.1. Once you have it fully unzipped, you're going to see a folder that looks like this. Just take your Melee ISO, drag it onto this file here. It'll make a new Melee ISO, and you can tell Dolphin to look for that, and that's the new training mode. Okay, step 2. Now that we have Training Mode Community Edition, we're going to go into Slippy Dolphin, and we're going to go to Configuration, GameCube, and change Slot A to GCI folder. GCI folder is basically like a memory card type of thing that'll let us load in the Slippy files. Now just start up Community Edition, and you'll be met with a prompt whether you want to save the card. Just say yes, new save data, yep, everything's good, it'll save. And then once that happens, it'll take a second to load and we're in. Just exit there and we're good. That's step 2. Okay, step 3, you're going to go to the Melee Improver GitHub, which I'll also link in the description below. And you just scroll down, download Melee Improver 1.0, and then click right here to download the zip file. Once it's unzipped, you'll see a folder like this. Just double click on Melee Improver, open it up. Choose your replay folder. I just use whatever folder Slippy is exporting to. You might see some files here, you might not. Don't worry about that. Now you're going to choose the export folder. So the first thing we're going to do is open Dolphin, go to Tools, Memory Card Manager, copy this right over here for card A. Then we go to Export Folder and paste this in here, hit Enter. It'll bring us to this folder. You click USA and card A and then select folder. Now we're all set up. So what you can do on these files, and if you don't have any here, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to get them in just a second. But you can just right click, export the save states if you want. Like I can just export 12 save states right there. Or I can like box select and you can export from a connect code or from a player. But basically, let's take the 12 save states I've just exported. All I have to do is open up training mode, go to training lab, import slot A, and here are all my recordings, and I can just click some recording and go in and be able to play the situation. I can take over this replay whenever I want and be able to, play the game out and sort of practice situations. And if you don't press anything, it just sort of runs on its own. But if you do press something, like I could just let's see, I can, like right here, I can just shield this, something like that. Or right here, after I get hit, I can roll away. And then you'll be able to do whatever you want in the save state immediately after you start pressing buttons. So to record save states, you can do any match with a Slippy file on it. I'll just go to unranked. Okay, now that I've found a match, you just play the match how you normally would. Anytime something happens that you find interesting, oh, like I missed that shine right there. Okay, I'll just press D-pad down right now. Okay, now that the match is over, I simply exit. Okay, so now that the match is over and I've hit refresh in Melee Improver, I can just go right here. I see that there is a new match of Blue Fox versus Blue Fox, and I made 7 different save states from different moments. I can just click export right here, and that's it. I could just open these up in training mode, and I could just play them as much as I wanted. So like, let's just open one up and take a look. And let's see. So here's the other ones that I made a second ago. And here's the ones I just made. Here's the 7. So let's just check this one spot. This is the first one I made. And yes, there we go. There's this spot where I missed this shine, right? And so I just go in here, do this. Oh, and now I just take over the replay and I can do whatever here. So let's see. This time I'm going to jump out and hit the shine. There we go. And now I've just practiced the situation. And that's Melee Improver, guys. I think this is a big game changer, and I hope everybody enjoys it. I'll see you next time.